Let me say something a lot of adults need to hear. If you're over 50 and tech feels overwhelming, if AI feels like it was built for everyone except for you, you're not behind. You were just never taught this stuff in the way that makes sense. People my age didn't grow up with ChatGPT. We didn't grow up building online businesses, and we definitely didn't grow up talking to computers like their coworkers. So when people say, just use AI, that's not helpful. As a matter of fact, it's damn right frustrating. And that's exactly why I built what I'm about to give you. I'm a Navy veteran. I still work 9 to 5. And I'm building online income on the side without hype, without scams, and without pretending that it's easy. What is possible is learning digital skills one calm step at a time. Because this granny brain checks out every once in a while. So inside my free community, the Rebel Den, I'm giving away something built specifically for adults in midlife. It's called the Midlife Digital Confidence Coach. It's a ChatGPT prompt that turns AI into a patient, encouraging guide. Not a tech bro, not a robot, not an internet guru. You can ask it questions like, explain this like I'm new. What's one simple step I can take today? Or help me without overwhelming me. Now there's a concept. And it responds in plain English, something that this rebel granny brain can understand. This isn't about making money overnight. It's about feeling capable again, building confidence with digital tools, and realizing you're not too old, you're not too late, or too far behind. You don't need 50 tools, my friends. You don't need to go viral, and you don't need to reinvent yourself overnight. You just need the right support. Now, for those of you who want to go a little farther, I'll also be releasing 2 optional prompts for sale that help with creating content without always being on camera and getting clarity on what kind of online business actually fits you. That can be the biggest hurdle for many of us starting online businesses. There's no pressure, there's no hype, just tools you can use when you're ready. And quite frankly, my friends, you're going to be shocked at how cheap it is. A cup of coffee. For now, start with the free one. Join my Rebel Den. Grab that Midlife Digital Confidence Coach and take one small step forward today. Because you're not behind. You're just getting started. Show some love today and hit that subscribe button. And share this with someone you know needs to hear this. Until the next video, my friends, or I see you in the Rebel Den, Rebel Granny out.